So guys, testing pa tayo ng isa. Super Thunder by Boss Cameron Jake. Ay, lakas guys, sobra. Here goes. Oh. Hello, supot ata. So guys, ito naman yung subukan natin. Ito yung Super Lolo puno ni Asta. Old stock na to guys ha. Yan. Testingin natin. Ready? Akong hindi ready. So guys, i-compare naman natin yung Super Lolo ni Asta La Vista compare dito kay RDN. Ayan, Super Lolo puno by RDN. Okay guys, testing na natin. So ito guys, Plapla Ordinary ni Boss Ayori. Okay, subukan natin. Last na to guys, kasi baka magalit na yung kapitbahay. Okay, tara, let's go.